The Kaushitaki Upanishad stands out among ancient texts for its striking insights into the soul's journey after death. Unlike many philosophical works that shroud the afterlife in ambiguity, this Upanishad offers a clear and vivid account of what awaits the soul beyond its earthly existence. Its teachings blend mystical depth with a sense of lucidity, guiding seekers through the stages that the soul traverses. The narrative unfolds with both poetic beauty and philosophical precision, inviting reflection on the nature of consciousness and ultimate liberation. Through its profound revelations, the Kaushitaki Upanishad encourages us to contemplate the mysteries of life, death, and the enduring quest for truth. At the precise moment when the soul departs from the body, a profound transformation unfolds. The senses gradually withdraw, no longer responding to the world outside. Breath becomes still, signaling the cessation of physical life. As this occurs, prana, the vital life force, begins its ascent, moving away from its earthly vessel. This marks the commencement of an inner journey, one that transcends the boundaries of the material realm. The transition is subtle yet significant, representing the soul's passage into a new state of existence. As the soul begins its ascent, it follows the Archimarga, also known as the path of radiance. This journey is shaped by the purity and awareness that were nurtured throughout one's life. The soul is gently guided upward, drawn by the luminous energy that marks this sacred path. Each step along the Archimarga reflects the inner clarity and spiritual growth achieved during earthly existence. The radiance encountered here is not just light, but a manifestation of consciousness and virtue. In this way, the soul's progress is both a continuation and culmination of its lifelong quest for understanding and purity. As the soul approaches the first gateway, it is met by a radiant brilliance, alive with energy and purpose. This threshold is not merely a barrier, but a point of profound introspection. Here, the soul is asked to confront the essence of its being and declare its true identity. The brilliance seems to illuminate every memory, every intention, compelling honesty and clarity. Only by answering this fundamental question can the soul move forward, leaving behind any illusions or uncertainties. This moment marks the beginning of a transformative journey, where self-awareness becomes the key to progress. As the soul approaches the second gate, it encounters the guardian of light. This presence initiates a profound examination, urging the soul to reflect on its connection to the greater cosmic essence. The inquiry delves beyond surface understanding, challenging the soul to recognize its inherent unity with all existence. Only through this realization does the soul gain passage beyond the second gate, moving closer to its ultimate purpose. The journey here is marked by introspection and a growing awareness of the interconnectedness that binds all things. As the soul arrives in the region of day, it enters a realm characterized by pure, unobstructed awareness. Here, the boundaries of physical existence fade, allowing the soul to experience a heightened sense of clarity and understanding. In this spiritual domain, the soul is met with questions that probe its essence, guiding it toward a deeper recognition of its own eternal nature. Through this process of inquiry, the soul's timeless qualities are affirmed, and its journey of self-realization continues. The region of day serves as a pivotal stage, where the soul embraces its true identity beyond the limitations of the material world. As the soul enters the Bright Fortnight, a period marked by increasing illumination, it undergoes a profound transformation. Clarity expands, allowing deeper understanding and insight to emerge. Growth becomes evident as old limitations dissolve, making way for new perspectives. When confronted by the gatekeeper, the soul responds not with separation, but with unity consciousness, embracing the interconnectedness of all existence. This response signifies a shift from individual identity to a collective awareness. The journey through the Bright Fortnight is both a personal and universal evolution, guiding the soul toward greater harmony and wisdom. The soul arrives at the realm of the northern solar course, a domain that represents both ascent and liberation from earthly constraints. Here, the journey takes on a new significance as the soul is invited to affirm its inner truth. This affirmation is not merely a declaration, but a profound recognition of self and purpose. By embracing its authentic essence, the soul gains permission to advance further along its path. The northern solar course thus serves as a gateway, marking a pivotal transition toward higher understanding and freedom. As the soul journeys along the northern course, it arrives at the enigmatic domain known as the year. Here, time is not merely a backdrop, but an active force that engages the soul in profound inquiry. Within this mystical realm, the soul faces questions about its own identity and the depth of its self-realization. The passage through the year challenges the soul to reflect on its experiences and growth. Time itself becomes a mirror, prompting introspection and encouraging transformation. This encounter marks a pivotal moment in the soul's voyage, where understanding and awareness are tested by the very fabric of existence. As the soul ascends, it enters the world of the gods, passing through radiant celestial realms. Each realm presents a gate, and these gates open only when the soul recalls its true essence. This journey is not merely a passage, but a process of awakening, where the soul's memories guide its progress. By embracing its authentic nature, the soul unlocks new levels of understanding and connection. The celestial realms, filled with divine light and wisdom, welcome the soul as it moves closer to its ultimate purpose. Through remembrance and realization, the soul continues its transformative journey among the gods. Upon reaching Brahmaloka, the soul stands before the Lord of Cosmic Order. Here, its purity and deep connection to the infinite are revealed, serving as testament to its spiritual journey. The soul's sincerity and alignment with universal principles are recognized, allowing it to progress further. Varuna, as the guardian of cosmic law, grants passage only to those who embody truth and harmony. This moment marks a significant transition, as the soul moves beyond earthly limitations and enters a realm of higher understanding. The journey continues, guided by the soul's readiness and the approval of cosmic order. As the soul arrives at Indraloka, it is greeted by an atmosphere of profound serenity and wisdom. Here, the soul recognizes and affirms its highest identity, moving beyond the limitations of personal ambition and egoic power. Indra, the celestial ruler, observes this transformation and acknowledges the soul's readiness. With grace, Indra grants passage, allowing the soul to transcend all forms of attachment and self-importance. In this moment, the soul is liberated from the constraints of ego, embracing a state of pure consciousness and unity with the divine. At Prajapati Loka, the soul encounters its last challenge before reaching Brahmaloka. Here, it must confront the final guardian, a being who tests the soul's awareness and comprehension. The soul responds not with fear or confusion, but with a profound understanding of its own eternal consciousness. This recognition marks the culmination of its spiritual journey, demonstrating readiness to transcend all remaining barriers. Only through this complete realization can the soul proceed to Brahmaloka, the realm of ultimate unity and enlightenment. Upon reaching Brahmaloka, the soul enters the highest realm of existence, transcending all earthly boundaries. Here, it experiences a profound union with Brahman, the ultimate reality. In this state, the soul is liberated from all limitations, pain, and sorrow that once defined its mortal journey. The supreme abode offers eternal peace and fulfillment, marking the end of the cycle of birth and death. This union signifies complete spiritual freedom and the realization of the soul's true nature. The journey can be seen as a gradual awakening of consciousness, where each stage represents a new level of understanding. Gatekeepers encountered along the way serve as symbols for moments of insight, prompting us to reflect and remember our true nature. As we progress, these experiences guide us to deeper self-awareness, encouraging us to look beyond surface realities. The unfolding process is not merely about external events, but about reconnecting with the essence of who we are. Through each challenge and revelation, we move closer to a profound remembrance of the self, illuminating the path ahead with greater clarity and purpose. The Upanishads emphasize the profound importance of cultivating awareness and purity throughout one's life. According to their teachings, it is consciousness alone that shapes the journey of the soul after death. By nurturing clarity of mind and sincerity of heart, individuals align themselves with a higher purpose. This path encourages self-reflection and mindful living, guiding each person towards spiritual growth. Ultimately, the Upanishads suggest that the quality of our awareness determines the destiny of the soul, highlighting the enduring significance of inner transformation. As we reach the conclusion of this exploration, the Kaushitaki Upanishad offers profound insights into the sacred journey of the soul. It describes a path of liberation, where each stage is marked by deep understanding and spiritual growth. The Upanishad's teachings guide the seeker beyond worldly attachments, illuminating the way towards self-realization. Ultimately, the soul's journey culminates in the return to Brahman, the infinite and unchanging reality. This return signifies the dissolution of individuality and the merging with the source of all existence. Through these ancient verses, we are invited to contemplate the nature of freedom and the unity underlying all life. The map of liberation, as revealed here, remains a timeless beacon for those who seek the highest truth.